Hi guys, I've got the Max Keyboard Keycap Cherry MX Switch sample test kit here. I've been reading about mechanical keyboards recently, but hadn't tried one out. I thought this was a good option for $10 to try out different switches before spending a lot more on the actual keyboard. This one comes with authentic Cherry MX switches in red, black, blue, and brown, as well as O-rings and a key puller. The reds are smooth all the way down, the blacks are also smooth but require a little more force, the blues provide that classic click, and the browns are quiet but have a tactile feedback halfway down. I'm going to cycle through these and let you listen to the differences. One more time, the sound differences. I actually like the blue switches much more than I thought. Initially I was going to buy a brown one, but after hearing the clickety-clack firsthand, I've ordered a blue keyboard and will compare that sound to this key switch sampler in the future. Here's the sound depressing just halfway without bottoming out. Overall, I really like this and feel it's definitely worth $10.